So I've already shown you guys a few of my recent pickups, but a lot of people have been asking me to show my entire sneaker collection. Now unfortunately I cannot show all my sneakers in one video because that would be a very long video. But what I've decided is, apart from my recent pickups, I will also show a few of my favorite sneakers in my current collection, and slowly and gradually we'll cover the entire sneaker collection as well. So today the sneakers I will be talking about are right there in the bottom. Let me quickly show you the sneakers I will be talking about and then we'll go for the review. So this entire pile that you're seeing is basically my Jordan sneakers. So as you can see, it's a Jordan box, and the sneaker I will be talking about today are Nike Air Jordan 5 in the fire red colorway. So now we'll quickly set up the room for the unboxing. Do check out the clip when I picked these sneakers from the outlet. So this outlet is located in Gurgaon near Sector 14. And apart from Nike, there are a lot of different outlets as well. So these are the few sneakers that were available apart from the Air Jordan 5s that I picked up. A couple of sneakers that I really liked apart from those are these. These are AMX 90s. I really like this color, and apart from that I really like this blue color as well. Not a big fan of the pink color that's available, but the gold color that was available there was really nice. I wanted to pick these as well, but went for Jordan 5s. Now as you can see, I've got two different pairs on my feet. On the right feet I have the Air Jordan 5s that I picked up. On the left I have Air Jordan 3 fire red denims. I was really confused between these two pairs, but I ended up going for Air Jordan 5s. My wife was liking Air Jordan 3s a little better, a little more than Air Jordan 5s, but I ended up buying Air Jordan 5s itself. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman. So as you saw, today I will be talking about one of my favorite sneakers in my collection, which are Nike Air Jordan 5, which actually comes in this black Nike Air Jordan box. As you can see, the Jumpman logo in red on the box, and apart from that you can see the black garbage kind of paper. This is the typical paper which is used to wrap Air Jordan 5 sneakers, and here are the sneakers that I will be talking about today. So these are actually the first sneaker that I picked in 2021, and I actually have a very interesting story about the sneaker, so please watch the video till the end. I will be talking about that as well. Now talking about the sneaker, let me quickly start with the material. The entire sneaker is built with white synthetic leather, which is actually very soft. The cut of the sneaker is very close to the original cut that was used in 1990 when Michael Jordan himself won the sneaker in a game. The entire midsole is a black color, and over here you would see red shark teeth type look used over here, which is actually inspired by a World War II plane. You would see a visible air bubble inside the midsole, which gives it a lot of comfort. And on the back you would see Nike Air branding in red. Also on the tongue, behind the tongue, you can see Air Jordan, which is written inwards, because earlier in 1990s a lot of people used to wear their sneakers with the tongue out like this. So this would actually show the Air Jordan written over here. That you can see the entire sock liner is made of red, and it's heavily padded as well. Now and the insole is of black color. From that, on the side you can see white mesh which is used over here. Now this actually gets yellow over time, and I have seen a lot of pictures in which this entire area has gotten yellow. Coming onto the front, you can see white flat laces which are being used. So over here you can see a lace lock, which is mostly of transparent material, and a little bit of thread used as well. Now a lot of people do remove the lace lock. If you want, you can also remove your lace lock over there. I didn't remove mine because it just gave it a little different look, so I thought of not removing it right now. Over here you can also see the 3M tongue, on which the red Jumpman logo is embroidered in red. Now the 3M tongue would be reflecting right now because of the light. I really like this. I mean, it's a little different. I do not have a lot of shoes in which 3M material is used. Going to the bottom, as you can see, I have worn these sneakers a couple of times, so they're a little dirty. You can see it's a transparent outsole which is used, in which you can see the Jumpman logo is in red again. and over here the Nike branding in bold. Also, let me quickly put this on and show you how they look on feet. Now talking about the sizing, I would definitely suggest you to go true to size. I am a US 10 or a UK 9, slightly on the wide side. So I have gone with my true size UK 9. It actually has a very wide toe, but your feet would actually have a lot of space. Now talking about the comfort, I really like the comfort of these sneakers. So because the build of the sneaker, the shoe actually fits really well and is very comfortable. The entire sock liner is heavily padded because the sneaker was actually originally used to play basketball. I feel it's a very comfortable sneaker. Now I wouldn't say this is the most comfortable sneaker, but yes, to rate about the comfort, I would probably say it's around 7. Now as I was saying earlier, I do have a good story to share with you guys. Now these sneakers were actually launched in May 2020 and I was able to cop these from Nike Sneakers website. Actually, this is the only sneaker that I have been able to cop from Nike Sneakers website ever. And I was really happy that finally I was able to get these sneakers in my collection. But at that point in time, I was more into Air Jordan 1s. So I ended up trading these sneakers for a pair of Air Jordan 1. Though I was happy to get that pair of Air Jordan 1, but I was a little sad that I had to give these sneakers away. If I could, I probably would have kept both the sneakers, but I was a little tight on the budget, so I had to sell these out. In fact, everything turned out really well because I was able to sell these sneakers for a little profit, trade these sneakers for another pair of Air Jordan 1 that I wanted for a very long time, and also I bought these sneakers from the Nike outlet at a 37% discount. So wherein the MRP for these sneakers around 17,000 rupees, I ended up paying around 10,500 rupees, which was an amazing deal. I didn't go to the outlet with an intention of buying sneakers or spending money on sneakers at that point in time. I just went in to check out the collection, but I was really happy that I could find these sneakers in my size available. In fact, this was the last piece available in the outlet in my size. So yeah, I was so happy that I was able to find these sneakers over there. So as you saw in the clip, I liked another pair which was available there, which was an Air Jordan 3 Fire Red. But because of the fact that I had to trade these sneakers earlier, I just I couldn't leave these sneakers again. So I had to buy these sneakers, and again I'm really happy that I have these sneakers in my collection. I have worn these sneakers out a couple of times, and as I mentioned, the sneakers are very comfortable. They look really nice on feet, and the best part about the sneakers are these are white sneakers, so they go with almost everything. This particular color might not be available anywhere currently, but yes, Air Jordan 5 is available on various platforms, probably on Wedge Norwich and SuperKicks. So I'll leave the links down in the description for you guys to check it out. Trust me, Air Jordan 5 is an amazing silhouette. It is very comfortable, it looks great on feet. So the sneakers are a little bit costly compared to other sneakers, and I understand that spending 17,000-18,000 rupees is not that easy on one shoe. Probably you would prefer buying like 4-5 sneakers in that budget. But yes, if you have a budget or if you are able to find these sneakers at a good discount, definitely check these sneakers out. They are amazing. That's it about the shoes. Now I hope that you like this video. I would be talking about a lot of my other favorite sneakers in my collection, because I do want to cover a lot of sneakers that I have already purchased in this year and some that I bought in last year as well. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below what you think about these sneakers, and if there is something else that I can talk about sneakers, or is there a better way that I can explain sneakers. Thank you.